Hello YouTube. Hello. Right, quick bit of rattage on the brake lever. This rubber's alright, it's just cracking ever so slightly and coming apart ever so slightly. And as with any rats, if you don't need to replace it, don't replace it. Do something with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do something I've done on the gear stick lever. Take a little bit of cheap gaffer tape, roll it around. Be generous, don't be careful, don't worry about it, just roll it round like so. Although, right, just do that, push it all in. Right, next you're going to need a lighter and a blowtorch. Probably get slammed for this, but it worked on the what it does is it heat shrinks the gaffer tape around the rubber, add it in, give another run around very quickly, basically heat shrunk it on. You get that patterning which I quite like. It's very quick. And then just spray it with some spray, doesn't matter what. Well, it does actually, don't spray it with petrol. Give it a good spray, just to basically, if there's any internal wire or flame. And there you go. And you take it again. Go for the light back, go over it again. The end. Right, that should stay on for a good year or so. You can do it again, spray it, see if there's, make sure there isn't any hidden flames. There we go. Job's a good one. So there we have it. It looks pretty good. Give it a dry. Job's done. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? And it's shrunk wrapped round the rubber, so the rubber shouldn't fall apart, it should stay together, so it keeps the rubber longer, which is part of the ratting. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you next time. Goodbye YouTube.